Hey guys! Welcome back to Nature Travel Boy TV. Today, we're stepping into one of Las Vegas' most beautiful free attractions, the Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens. And let me tell you, their summer 2025 display is absolutely stunning. If you love flowers, fantasy, and fairy tale vibes, you're gonna want to see this. Las Vegas' most dazzling floral exhibition takes a psychedelic turn in summer 2025 with Glam Menagerie, a surrealist fever dream where nature collides with avant-garde fantasy. This isn't your grandmother's flower show, it's a living Dalí painting meets Vegas extravaganza, transforming Bellagio's iconic conservatory into a wonderland of impossible botanicals and gilded hallucinations. Step into a dreamscape of surreal elegance at Bellagio's Conservatory and Botanical Gardens with Glam Menagerie, a surrealist summer the 2025 summertime spectacle running now through September 6th. This dazzling exhibit blends the lavish drama of European Baroque design, whimsical fantasy, and cutting-edge botanical artistry, an escape that feels both otherworldly and opulent. 4 distinct beds of surreal brilliance. West bed, chess, cockatoos, and couture. A 20-foot marble-look chessboard takes center stage, each moss-covered piece poised in a silent duel. An arch crowned with the signature Bellagio bee leads into a Fragonard-inspired garden, where a charming pink cockatoo swings in playful homage. Nearby, the garden table, nestled within a massive chess piece, hosts exclusive dining experiences, from Sadelle's Brunch, $125, to Michael Mina's Plated Dinners, $195. North bed, Giraffe Sisters and Tigress Giovanna. This bed features 2 towering giraffe topiaries, moss-clad, 22 feet tall, flanking Tigress Giovanna, a life-size feline lounging on a swing dressed in elegant black and white French Renaissance couture. Fragrant lavender, pastel blooms, cherub fountains, LED illusion screens, and jasmine-scented air transform this area into a sensory sanctuary. East bed, a flamingo-lit gazebo. A romantic wrought iron gazebo entwined with blush blooms emerges over a serene pool dotted with 4 elegant flamingos. Soft lighting from antique-style lanterns and boxwood sculptures create a whimsical and intimate ambience. South bed, zebras and Baroque waters. Amid sculpted greenery and pastel florals, Sir Pierre and Lady Colette, the zebras, relax under Baroque chandeliers. A pirouetting fountain pays homage to the iconic fountains of Bellagio, blending natural grace and theatrical flair. Botanical grandeur and sustainability. By the numbers, 125,000 pounds of ivy, 22,000 potted plants, 5,000 square feet of boxwood topiaries, 120 feet of live hedging, and 17 lanterns, all shaped by 80 visionary artists, horticulturists, and engineers. Water-wise operations. The exhibit layer uses recycled rain and resort water, minimizing reliance on municipal supplies. After the display ends, plant materials are composted to benefit regional sustainability efforts. The Hoddle Guide. Dining in the menagerie. Inside the west bed's oversized chess tower, the garden table offers a sensory feast. Sadelle's Brunch, $125 per person. Michael Mina Bellagio Dinner, $195 per person. Why this exhibit matters. Art in Bloom. Designed by Ed Libby and Bellagio's horticultural wizards, the display merges floral artistry with surrealist creativity. Each element, challenge perception and celebrate luxury, imagination, and the beauty of summertime, Libby notes. Immersive escapism, with illusions, scents, LED soundscapes, and towering sculptures, visitors are enveloped in an experience far beyond traditional garden displays. A Las Vegas staple, located under a 14,000 square foot glass atrium, the free, 24/7 exhibit continues Bellagio's tradition of seasonal botanical transformations, from Lunar New Year to holiday winter shows. Plan your visit. Dates, open now through September 6, 2025. Location, Bellagio Conservatory and Botanical Gardens, lobby level, 3600 South Las Vegas Boulevard. Hours, 24/7, free of charge. Nearby, don't miss the Bellagio fountains and lobby's famed Chihuly glass ceiling. Final take. Glam Menagerie, a surrealist summer is a breathtaking fusion of horticulture, high art, and sensory theater. Whether you're a garden enthusiast, art lover, or simply seeking an unforgettable escape, it's a lavish, dreamlike journey, one you can enjoy any time of day, at zero cost. Let's go Nature Travel Boy.
Still think about that empty field, just you and me and time to kill. First kiss I didn't know would come. Laughing at my stupid jokes, both of us wishing we were old right then. cause we knew it was love. And everybody says take it slow, but I think it's true when you know you know. Yeah, we could be dancing all night, waking up for the sunrise, late cause we're losing track of time. Yeah, we're in young love, cause when I'm with you it feels like falling in love for the first time. It'll always be true, yeah, I know we're in young love. Oh, oh, yeah, I know we're in young love. Slow dancing in the parking lot, up talking until 5 o'clock, when we got class at 8 a.m. When I'm with you it all makes sense, I finally get what they all meant by falling in love with your best friend. Yeah, I know they probably think I'm crazy, but I don't care, none of it can faze me. Yeah, we could be dancing all night, waking up for the sunrise, late cause we're losing track of time. Yeah, we're in young love, cause when I'm with you it feels like falling in love for the first time. It'll always be true, yeah, I know we're in young love. Oh, oh, yeah, I know we're in young love. Cause we might be young, doesn't mean that we're wrong. Yeah, I think I finally found the one. Can't see it all, but somehow I know that we'll keep on falling in young love. Yeah, we'll keep on dancing all night, waking up for the sunrise. It'll always be you and I. Yeah, we could be dancing all night, waking up for the sunrise, late cause we're losing track of time. Who cares, it's young love, cause when I'm with you it feels like falling in love for the last time. It'll always be you, cause I know this is real love. Oh, oh, it'll always be you, yeah, I know we're in young love. Oh, oh, it'll always be you, yeah, I know we're in young love. I scrolled down the Insta page, saw a picture that I didn't want to see. He had his hand around your waist and a smile on your face, like the way you look at me. Cause only 8 months ago he was holding your hand, slow dancing and kissing the top of your head. And I don't know how to compete with that, cause you were friends since you were kids and it still feels like we just only met. Yeah, I was so naive, thinking that you've only felt this way for me. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me, I got no real reason to worry. My mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? The last one. I've heard stories about exes calling up brides on their wedding day, professing all the love from a once upon a time that they threw away. And the fear that I'm fighting is constantly rising in the back of my mind, is that you'll finally open up your eyes, that you'll leave me for another guy. Yeah, it's a scary truth that maybe I don't know you in the way they do. You always tell me I'm the only one you wanna be with, so why can't I believe it? Yeah, old boyfriends kinda scare me, cause they all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me that I got no real reason to worry. My mind starts to imagine things that never happened. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Do you think I'm gonna be the last one? Baby, the hardest part is fighting back this anxious heart. But I've come to realize that if we don't have trust, then we might as well have nothing. But old boyfriends still scare me. They all got a little bit of history with you. Even when you try to tell me, I got no real reason to worry. My mind keeps on imagining things I know aren't happening. I start to believe that you're still in love with some other has-been. Baby, I'm just asking, do you think I'm gonna be the last one?